Hey guys, how are you? So today I'm sharing this bottle goat recipe with you guys. It's gonna be very easy, simple roasted bottle goat recipe. So let's go see how we're gonna do this. First of all, we're gonna peel our bottle goat. Oops, the skin is pretty tough, so we have to make sure we take out all the skin of this bottle goat. I mean, you guys can leave comments down there and tell me what kind of recipes you guys share. I mean, you guys make at home with the bottle goat. I'm sharing something very healthy, which anyone can cook it literally in 15 to 20 minutes. And yeah, it's gonna be roasted. So we are almost there. Okay, so this has been peeled. Now take the bigger knife and take out the sides, just like that. So this is how it's gonna look. Now cut it from the middle, and as you can see here, it is some of the bad part. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just take out the bad part. The bad part means it's like, I guess, overgrown, but the rest of it, it's good. So now here we're gonna make the longer slices, just like that. Let's do the next one. So as you guys can see, these are all beautiful slices. They don't have to be perfectly even. So just turn the face upside down, add some salt, some of the black pepper, and add some of the olive oil. So here is the olive oil, very tiny. Add some paprika, and add some garlic powder. Here you go guys, that's pretty much it. We just need these three dry ingredients to make this bottle gourd roasted. So here is our baking tray. Add some of the foil in the bottom. You can literally fry these guys in a pan, but I would 100% suggest you guys to bake these guys. It's gonna come much softer, much better roasted. So now friends, take a tomato and slice the tomato like thin slices. Come on, tomatoes, stay in the tray. So why we are using tomato? In a minute, you guys gonna see why I took this tomato. So on the base of our baking tray, we will add some of the olive oil, and now we will just place the tomatoes in the base. The tomatoes gonna help the bottle gourd to be soft. So just like that, roughly, you can add some of the tomatoes. And the tomato gives nice tomatoey flavor to bottle gourd as well. Now take each pieces. Of course you can mix this guy with your hands, but as you can see, I have sprinkled it enough, so it's gonna stay good in there. So here we will just place these guys right on top of tomatoes. And yeah, it's all done. Now you guys see there are some of the pots, they are not seasoned, so just add some little more seasoning just to make it even, and some of the salt. One more secret I'm gonna give you guys: add some thyme in there, so it's gonna give nice fresh flavor to it. And here you go guys, it's all done. We're gonna bake this bottle gourd at least for 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll see you guys after 15 to 20 minutes. And forgot to tell you, you have to bake this at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes. Let's check on our bottle gourd. Yeah guys, it is beautifully done. It is perfectly roasted. I can just tell by the color. So here we will check it with the spoon. Yep, they are all done, soft and crispy at the same time. Wow, the paprika. Yep, I have to check all of them, so just want to make sure, and that's how you have to make sure that it should be all the way done. Yep, this is all done. Alright, so let's serve this with some tomato sauce, or you can do any kind of barbecue, honey mustard, or just regular mustard sauce. So here we will place it right here in the plate. So you guys see how the tomatoes kept everything soft in the bottom. You see the tomato, they are roasted as well. So we will enjoy the bottle gourd with the roasted tomatoes as well. The paprika, it's giving the smokiness to it, and it's like a jelly. You guys see that? It's like a jelly. Yum. Jello jelly, and it is crispy from this side, from on the top, but it's like a jello from the bottom, so you can have both taste in there. And the plus one, it's a vegetable, and it's juicy too. I mean, you see that, the juice? Wow. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Try this easy, simple 5 ingredient recipe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, bye now. Oh, the juice is like popping out of it, and the crispiness from the top. Perfect vegetarian recipe. If you guys ever hated bottled gourd, try this easy, simple, eatable recipe. You can reduce the amount of the paprika if you don't want it spicy at all. You can just add some black pepper, some salt, some thyme, and olive oil in there. Deliciousness. Subscribe.